Right, already into the second day of August. August 2nd, 2023. Tyler Hayes here. 2056 coming to you from Ladysmith along the Canadian Nationals Barron Submain at milepost 354.39 as I'm off of Flambeau Avenue with a video lined up for you tonight. We have the northbound Woodtick of the L56381 of the second here with a solo EMD doing the honors, and that is the SD70M-2 of the 8884 this time doing the honors. On Monday, this unit was on the 564 on the final day of July, and it had distinctive Nathan P5s, and it now sports a new set of horns on it now, and now it sports Nathan M3 horns now, because I've noticed that the chrome lettering on that, well, I meant the chrome paint look on that has been seen on that, indicating that it sports a fresh new set of horns for the 8884. It will not be meeting any southbounds on its way up to Stone Lake in the meantime. Otherwise, it's going to back Longhood forward to the remaining cars that it has left, which is a center beam and a couple of potash empties. Because it had two sand empties that will be delivered for the 519 to take care of tomorrow. The L51981 of the 3rd with the SD60 duo of the 5428 and 5417. So in a few moments we'll check out the departure of the northbound Woodtick of the L563 led by the 8884 as we'll lean back and get him. Here we go. Alright, moments later, after the recouple have completed to the center beam and the two potash empties left, 563.81 of the second is now rolling away with the 8884 doing the honors here. So let's check them out on the roll by as it will head up to Stone Lake as we'll lean back and get them. Let's listen in on the new Nathan M3s on the 8884 since getting replaced and swapping out the old Nathan P5s. Here's the 8884. Grand Whitey bell sounding away. It is POTX 2737 and the train device is going. That will That'll do it for the northbound Woodtick of the L563 81 of the second. And that'll do it for this video at Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time, and I'll see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes out.